Hi everyone, this is Wanda from Tom Decide. Today I'm going to be showing you one of the easiest ways to end a Kumihimo. So again, I'm going to make a box knot, and just in case, I am horrible at it, but I still do it either way. So you might want to go and check another or one of my other tutorials to see how to make it very easy, because I struggled in this particular one. So I'm going to pick a color. I want to use pink, so I'm going to take pink from the left and pink from the right, and I'm going to make a box knot with it. I do not know how to explain this, I'm sorry, but I hope if you're watching, it's almost like making a forward knot, but when you make the 4 on one side, you pass the string under the others, pull through one, and make sure that the other one is pulled through, like making an 8, but inserting the strings in the both parts, if that makes sense. I don't think it did, but again, I'm sorry. So make sure you pull it up so it's just on the edge of your Kumihimo, not down. It shouldn't be too tight either, but it should feel just right. Then I am a person for twisted ties, so I like to twist my ties at the end of Kumihimo. But if it's like a normal bracelet, I'll have a tutorial for that. A normal bracelet, making Kumihimo ties for a normal bracelet. Here I've divided my string into 2, 8 on each side. Then on 8 I'm going to divide them into 4 each. So I have 4 pink on one side, and then I have 2 green, 1 black, and 1 pink on my other side. And I'm just going to twist, then turn, twist, then turn, and twist and turn until when I reach my desired length. I'm going to somewhat skip through this part, and I will show you what it looks like at the end. And just in case you want to make this Kumihimo bracelet, I have a tutorial up for it. I'll link it, and you would probably see it pop up into the last 10 seconds of this video. Now that I'm done, I'm just going to turn and make a normal knot. I'll pull through that and pull up, and make sure that they're on the same sides before I make it tight. Yes, so well, this is close enough for me, and I'm just going to chop them off. And thank you, see you in the next video. Bye bye.